Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? The day after Christmas. I hope you're having a marvelous day and you had a wonderful holiday. It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. All right, we're here on Freedom Friday. All right, want to do just a quick update review, if you will. If you haven't checked out my products, make sure you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, see what I got going on. But if you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, welcome back. All right, we want to do a video this morning for HBA and My Legion Secret. You know, we've been kind of just sending out our emails here. This is one of the ways that we get traffic over to our link for HBA. And if you want to start your $25 digital business, all you got to do is go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, click this green button right here, or the link is in the description to get started today. But before we get into it, let's go over the FTC disclaimer really quickly. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. All right, because we can't guarantee any results or any income claims, right? For full earnest disclosure, go to income.thehba.net, guys, because it takes effort and work and skill and commitment to get results. All right, that's with any business. All right, now, so let's get into this. Let's check this out over here in HBA in the Let's Go app. This is the quote that pops up for today. These quotes are already in the system, but you can also add your own quotes to go along with it. That's what I do, and it rotates them. So this one says, the man who always takes it and never gives it is not a leader, he is a parasite. And that author is Napoleon Hill. How about that? All right. So that's the quote for today in the Let's Go HBA app. All right, so let's see what else we got going on here, because we're going to send out our email over here in the My Legion Secret. But before we do that, you know, even though yesterday was Christmas, do you know when you have an online business, you put the work in, you do the work, you can get paid any day of the week. And with HBA yesterday, Thursdays is typically, every Thursday is typically payday. And even though it was Christmas, we still got paid. Isn't that amazing? So that's why you definitely want to start you an online business, guys. So let's check that out. Let me show you that. I got an email that came in yesterday. Hang on. All right, let's take a look. Look, from eWallet, they send you an email. Receive funds notification. The Home Business Academy, Thursday, December 25th, 2025. They're telling me, hey, we made your deposit. That's what they're saying right here. That's what that means. It goes to your e-wallet. So even on Christmas Day, 5/19. All right? So love this type of business. Online affiliate marketing is definitely a great way to start earning online. All right? With that being said, that brings us over here to My Legion Secret to show you guys. This is one of the resources I'm using. As it states here, how people are getting 100 leads every day without a website, without paid traffic, and all for only $1 per day. Again, you can go check this out on www.coffeeandcoins.info page here. When you get over here, you just come down and you're going to see, we're going to get there, hang on, right here. Come to coffeeandcoins.info, you're going to see this free video, the same verbiage I just read, and click this button, send me 100 leads a day. All right, and there's a little blurb about it, but you're going to end up coming to this page when you click that link. All right, and right here you can get signed up. It's $60 today, because 30 of it is this one-time setup fee, and then you're paying your first month of $30. All right. And that's all you would pay, guys. And then every month it's just 30 bucks. Okay? So here's what you get. You're going to get 100 business opportunity email subscribers into your contact list every 24 hours. a done-for-you emailing platform. It's all included. It's one platform. The emails will be in there, and you can send out your emails from there. You're going to earn $5 a month residual income per referral. That's month after month, as long as they keep that subscription. I mean, my goodness, I was gone for 3 years, and I still had one or two people that was still in my downline after 3 years. And then the residual, the commissions just sat in there. The company didn't send them out. It just sat there. But when I came back 3 years later, I requested it and they paid it out. Okay? So when people like a system or they find the value in it, you know, they stick around. And so that's what happened, right? So also they pay out $100 bonus for every 5 customers. So you get 5 people, they'll send you a check, pay you in PayPal or Bitcoin. You request which method you would want them to do. Okay, and they'll do that. And so here you are. And then there's what? 1, 2, 3, 5 levels of different referrals that you can get paid. $5 a month per referral on first level, $4 a month per referral on second level, $3 a month per referral on the third level, $2 a month per referral on fourth level, and $1 a month for every referral on the 5th level. All right, and this is one of the pages that you can use to promote it as well. They give us several links. This is one. All right, I like this one because it shows payment proof where people actually have gotten paid using the system. Okay, so this is just one of them. But what we got is, this is the system here, and you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different pages that you can use to promote it. All right, so I think the last time we sent out an email, let's look, it was on the 24th. Didn't send one out on Christmas Day. So we sent out 2,900 emails, and 222 opened, 21 opened, and 32 clicks. Okay, again, it's about the exposure. That's the main thing, that you want eyeballs of people that's interested in making money online to go to your site. So the more visibility you get, the more traffic you send that there to that website, okay, the better, the greater. Okay, that's the name of the game. Promotion, 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 promotion. All right, so anyway, if we click on my leads, all right, the 26, you see they've already, I have 200. That's the other thing. You start out with 100, but when you get your first person that you refer, they bump you up to 200 leads a day. Okay, guys, that's at 100 leads a day, that's 3,000 leads a month. Month after month after month after month. Once you get one person, they bump you up to 200 leads a day. That's 6,000. You now doubled. You're getting 6,000 business opportunity seekers month after month after month after month. That adds up very quickly. Because if you go back over here, you see I have, and I'm going to start next week probably sending those out to see if I get responses. Look, I've got over 120,000 leads in here from a 3 years. That was it 3 years I was in this thing? 2 years. Let's go all the way back. Let's look. I think we can go all the way. I think I got in here in this was launched in 2019. So it looks like the 2020 is when I, yeah, see 2020. And then I stopped for 3 years. That's why, yeah, I stopped for 3 years. So I was in there for 2020 to 2022. See? So 2 years. But I was gone for 3. All right? So I've got over 120,000 leads in here. So yeah, you can get 3,000 leads a month or 6,000 leads a month with this. So anyway, what we're going to do is we'll send an email out today. And we're going to click on mailing system. Now I'm going to go over here to Let's Go and get my, I'm using Prompt Write AI in the Let's Go. I'm using Prompt Write AI in the HBA system here to write my emails. I tell it what I want and it just spits them out for me. All right, and this is a premium member. By being a premium member, I have access to the Prompt Write AI. So I'm going to use this one. Bill once, earned through the holidays. This isn't a one-day hustle. It compounds. I think I want to use this one. Or I want to use this one. Let's see. I'm going to use this one, the $25 matters. Let's try that today. See what we end up getting. Alright, so we're going to select the leads that we're going to use. Right now, like I said, I'm going to do the 2025. These are my fresh ones. But I'm going to start it next week, kind of see if any of these other ones respond. So that's 3,300. We're going to send out today. All I did is click mailing system. All right, it's going to come from me. See, that's the last one I sent right there. I'm going to paste the subject in there. Right, and then I'm going to, it's just like sending a regular email. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to make this, make it 20. Come here and we'll go back. I'm just keeping it short and sweet. Okay. Okay, now it doesn't like you to use emojis, so we're going to take that out. We'll say click here. Click here. Click here to take action. Click here to check it out. I'm going to change it up a minute. Click here to check it out, right? Then I'm going to put my name in there. And then I'm going to do a picture. Hang on. Okay, put my picture in there. I just click this button right here for the picture. Now let's go back over here because I need to get my links, right? So you come to HBA, Home Business Academy. Click affiliate. Click my business. Click my links. And what link am I using? I'm using the all-in-one grab. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back. It's just a copy and paste. You see, that's all I'm doing. We're not using the capture page, guys, because they're already a lead. They are a lead. So I don't need them to opt in again, right? I don't need them to opt in, okay? I don't need them to opt in. So we're going to put that there. That'll stand out. Just make that bold, something like that. Short and sweet, low risk. And I'm putting up here. Why $25 matter right now. I'm keeping it short and sweet. Alright, so let's click perfect timing. And then let's preview this thing. There it is. Click here to check it out. Got my picture. They see I'm a real person. Okay, that's it. That's all. Let's click it. Send. And it'll go in queue here. See, they're telling me I got 24 hours before I can send the next one. That's it. So I'm using this email platform to send it out. There it is. Okay. And it's ready to roll. So if you want to check either one of those out, just go to www.coffincoins.info. You can get your My Lead Gen secret. Click the link right here. Send me 100 leads. If you want to get started with HBA, the Home Business Academy, start your $25 digital business. You can come here as well or look at the links in the description. Click right here and get started. And with HBA, you earn 80% commissions, by the way, if I did not mention that. All right, on every product sale you make. And remember, that is, let's see, where did we go? That is, they've got 4 products here, guys. They got the Let's Go app. You can get started for $10 a month. This is monthly because you're going to earn residual monthly. You earn $8 a month from that one, that product. The funnel builder is $25 a month. You can start that business today. It's up to you. It's 4 products. Get in where you fit in. The $25 a month HBA funnel builder allows you to build any, you can market any business using this, right? You pay $25 a month, you earn $20 on that one. And they have the premium, okay, which is the top tier product, residual monthly. It's $125 a month, and you earn $100 every time someone purchases that from you. And that's the one that has those AI tools in it, okay, that I just used. And then they have the one-time payment for the financial literacy. This is a course, okay, a whole full-blown course by a CPA attorney. Retails for $1,000, but you can get it half off if you get it within the first 7 days of signing up for one of those products. You can get it for $500, and you can earn $400 commissions and $800 commissions with this product. Okay, that's all 4 products. But again, get in where you fit in. You can get started today for as low as $10. All right, but we are talking the $25 digital business. All right, so go check it out and get your My Lead Gen secret system. $60 today, and you can start receiving 100 leads immediately in your system, and you can start sending them out. Now, for everybody to get started with me and My Lead Gen secret, I'll send you 100 emails. I've created so many in this chat over here. This prompt AI, I said chat, prompt AI tools. See, under premium, these are the tools that we have access to. Prompt Write AI, the image creator, which is amazing. These 2 are the ones I'm using the most. And then they have the smart post, where you can make short videos and post one video to all the social media platforms with one click of a button. Okay, so these are the tools that's included here in the premium. So that's why premium is top tier. Not to mention you're getting coaching training, marketing training, traffic and conversion training. Okay, so go check it out. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.